So on this project, we are going to use Node and Express and MongoDB for storing data. So I'm assuming that you have Node and MongoDB installed in your machine. And let's start over by open up a new terminal. Let me clear this out and let us start by installing Express generator. So I'm gonna type npm i/g for global Express generator, and you hit enter and it's gonna be installed. Then let us make a new direction and I'm gonna call it views counter. Let us cd to go inside that folder, and here we simply type express and hit enter, and then we are going to npm install all the node packages, all the packages that this project uses, and then we type code dot, so it's gonna start in the VS Code editor